Igwe. Abatozora. What is going on? This is not the brave man that I've known for years now. What could be bothering you by this time?
Oh no.
What is going on?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You.
Igwe ọkpata ozuo ọra nke izizi na mkpụrụgwụ n'ike kingdom. May your days be long.
Is anybody against what I did?
No, my king. No, your majesty.
Sit. I am Igwe Otozuara one, Nampologu, an oracle, the youngest deity of our time. No one dares me. This animal here slept with my wife.
Aro. Amadio how? Aro. What?
No, slept with the queen of this land.
Abomination. My king, I am sorry for what you just said. It's an abomination for any woman in this great kingdom of Mpologu Nike kingdom to live with another man, not to talk of our queen. Alokobo. Anaghị eju ọnụ ekwudi ekwu mbanana. Hey! My king, our queen mother has to go. If what you just said now is what happened,
Are you indirectly calling me a liar?
No, my king. How can I call you a liar? Am I drunk? Even if I am drunk, why will I call a deity of our kingdom a liar? Ha! No, no, no. You are the god of Ologunike kingdom. I cannot call you a liar. Huh? I worship you, my king. I do not call you a liar.
No one can blink the eye, my king. As a matter of fact, Onowu deserved more than what he got.
In fact, my king, if there is any other punishment more than what you just did, my king, go ahead and do it.
For goodness sake, Igwe. That was just a mere dream. It is not reality.
It is not just a mere dream. Some dreams do come to pass.
But this one is not going to come to pass. I mean, it is not even possible.
I saw you making love to Onowu. You were even mourning, telling him to do it harder, that I've not done well in the past few years.
With all due respect, Your Highness, I don't even mourn when we do it. Do I?
No, so why were you mourning while doing it with Onowu?
That is because it is a dream. It is not reality.
No.
It can never come to pass.
Yes, it will never happen because I have already beheaded Onowu.
You did what?
He's dead and gone. And you be careful. If I catch you cheating on me, or if that dream repeats itself again, I will kill you.
You had to behead your own because you had a night dream. No, this is getting more serious than I thought.
Enough! Now leave my presence and do not utter a word. Hey, where to? Upstairs. I am about to Zuara 1.
As he addressed himself, the deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He accursed himself, the God of Ologun. A man that thinks himself above the law while being a tyrant's king. Anya get big warrior. King of my kingdom, he's a tyrant's king. King of my kingdom, so fierce and ruthless. King of my kingdom, he's a tyrant king. King of my kingdom, he's so fierce and ruthless. Oracle of Ologunike, as he addressed himself, the deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He accursed himself, the God of Ologun. A man that thinks himself above the law while being a tyrant's king. Anya get big warrior.
I don't understand. What in the Fredericks of Hollywood are you doing in the king's bedroom?
I bow before you, my queen.
That's not the answer to my question. And I ask again, what in the jury of the peers are you doing in the king's bedroom?
My queen, you are forbidden to lay on this bed or to be seen in this room.
Excuse you? I beg your pardon. Since when did you start dealing with some cheap drugs? Have you lost your sense of timing? On whose order in the first place?
The king, of course.
Leave this room.
My queen, I'm sorry. That is the instruction from the king.
I do not want to repeat myself again. Because if I do, I will be feeding your carcass to the vultures. And I say, leave this room right now.
Like I said, my queen, that is the instruction from the king. Please, you should be the one to leave the room now.
Abara igwe anyị egbukọ n'onwe na ọ bụrụ ajọ ndị mmiri ndụ azụ ife anyị eribịa nke eri anyị abịa na anyị ga-atọ ọjị a atọ ogologo ndụ na arụsị ike si na Kraịst nwere anyị. Drop this and pick that.
Yes, Your Highness.
My king, please, did you by any chance ask your guards not to let me into the room?
Yes.
May I know why?
We are forbidden from entering that room for now.
For doing what exactly, if I may ask?
Until you are done with the necessary cleansing and ritual.
Cleansing for who?
Because you slept with a man.
In your dream.
Some dreams will come to reality.
Mine will never come to reality because I can never have anything to do with that man. I can't.
Enough.
Why don't you just get up from this dream and realize that it is not reality?
I said enough. Leave my presence at once and do not utter a word.
The deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He has caused himself the god of Mboloku. A man that thinks himself above the law.
My dear, I am getting sick and tired of all this. The maltreatment is beginning to get out of hand. I don't know what my husband's problem is. Ever since my husband had this dream, nothing is working properly anymore in the palace. It's just from one problem to another.
So just because he had a dream where you're making out with another man, so how does it affect your marriage?
I don't know. Why would he think in his tiny mind that I would condescend myself so low to have something to do with that kind of man? It was just a mere dream.
So just because he had a dream? Is he okay? What's his problem?
I don't know. I don't know. He even slapped me.
What?
Give me the slap of my life.
He slapped you?
A slap that is even enough to reset a gorilla's skull. Is that bad?
Are you sure he doesn't have anything against that man before?
I don't know.
To the extent of killing him?
I don't know.
Please don't do
It's not my patient. I can't go against the king's order.
Oh my God, please don't do Oh my God, please don't do Oh my God, please don't do Oh my God! Oh my God!
She's gone. She's gone. Just like a dream. We are not safe here. We are not safe here. We are not safe in this palace. Stop telling me it's okay.
Stop telling me it's okay. Do you know who is next? Do you know who is next?
You cry cannot bring them back.
The Queen will join you shortly.
Okay, thank you. Your Majesty,
Who are you?
my name is Rosabelle, a friend to the Queen Mother.
You share where you are here.
Yes, she's aware.
I don't like visitors.
How are you?
I'm fine, my Queen.
I can see someone glowing. I see someone glowing like ever. Mwah. How are you? So, tell me, how have you been?
I'm good. And you?
I've been very good.
There is something I noticed about the king.
Which is?
Never mind, don't worry. It's a story for another day.
You haven't come. You've not even entered the next thing you're noticing. You never change. This is what do I offer you?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Oh, please.
So tell me, how have you been?
I've been good. I need them to get us some champagne or something because I've been so stressed out in this
please,
palace.
I don't want any champagne. Thank you. Thank you for use my left leg.
Better for you. Wow, you're looking good though.
My queen. My queen. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He has
I want your sister to be here before I can say what's on my mind.
Yes, my king.
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, my brother. I'm good. Greetings, Ono.
Greetings, my queen.
So what do we owe this surprise visit? What's going on? Your Majesty?
When I married your sister here, I summoned you as the only surviving family member. 2 of us.
You are right, my king.
Now I summoned you again to tell you that this marriage is over. She is no longer my queen. Take her home and return my bride price within 7 days.
Your Majesty...
Shh.
My king, please, whatever may be the case, calm down. Let me know first, please.
Young man, I didn't call you here to deliberate with you. It's an order. This marriage is over. Take her back home and return the bride price I paid within 7 days. Now, both of you should leave my presence at once without saying a word.
As he addressed himself, the deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He accused himself the God of Mboloku. A man that thinks himself above the law while being a tyrant's king. Anya get big warrior, king of my kingdom. He's a tyrant's king.
Igwe Atuzora did not tell me anything that transpired between him and my sister. He just said that he did not call me to dialogue or talk anything about the matter, that I should go and discuss with my sister.
Kosisachuku.
Yes, Mama.
Please tell us what happened.
Mama, the truth is that I am as confused as you are. I can't even believe it. This whole issue started when he had some tacky-wacky dream. And since he had this dream, the palace has been on fire. Everything has turned upside down.
Dream what?
He has stopped me from coming to the room. He doesn't eat my food. He doesn't even want me to touch him. Not to talk about lying on the bed with him.
Sorry. What kind of dream?
Mama, he said he had a dream where I was making out with the Ono woman.
Hey!
Yeah? What? I don't understand. Wait, why would I be making out with his prime minister, for goodness sake?
Was that why he beheaded him?
Mama, the question is, why would he even degrade me to that level? Someone that the wind would easily blow away without a stone in his pocket. How is he going to satisfy me in the first place? What strength? With which strength? How?
Sorry, let me ask. Is it just dream? Can we kiss me like a piaronco?
You know, sometimes I keep asking myself, even at this point, I thought with some little grey hairs on your breath, you would have had some senses. Because where the hell did you get your frog sense from? The fact that you have a frog eyes, must you also be stupid? What do you even look like in this family? You think everyone is as stupid and as loose as you are? Mother, I never did it and I will never do such thing. I won't. You are right. Better take your decomposed frog sense out of my sight if you have nothing meaningful to say.
This is so crazy and funny.
Mama, it is not crazy and funny. Igwe is losing it. In fact, if I were you as a man, what you should do is get some chains. Get the youth of this community, go to the palace and chain Igwe. Take him to some rehabilitation center or something.
Wait, me, Chin, you go Pato Zoara.
Change your destiny.
You did not see me.
Please.
No fool.
Yes, I not follow. Long for nothing.
Are you not a man? Go and ask him.
Ask who, Mama?
Ask him.
Who is going to ask? That imbecile of a child you call a son? Someone who has the same height with a decomposed sugar cane. Are you not seeing he looks like a dehydrated millipede, a dinosaur? I don't even know why. How did God bring me into this family in the first place? Because right now I need some fresh air. You can remove this thing.
Go see Sachuku. Go see. This is so crazy and funny. What is this? Everybody is angry.
I'm no longer comfortable here because of the way things are going. And I mean it.
Could it be that the king and queen mother having another inner issue nobody knows? I don't know like he had you.
Exactly my point. The king has another issue against her. Not because he had a dream.
But wait though. Could it be that what the king saw in his dream later became reality?
I doubt. My queen mother is a highly respected lady. I doubt she didn't do it.
If she didn't do it, why then did the king ask her to leave?
You are talking as if you are not in this palace. Our king is a no-nonsense man. You should know that.
No-nonsense man, indeed. Is that the reason why he had to kill his guard and his maid for failing in their duties? Please don't say that.
They didn't fail because it wasn't their fault. They were ready to discharge their duties, but Queen Mother asked them to stay.
That is why, when she asked us to stop, we refused, but in a polite manner.
I killed Ikeze. I cut off his head.
Omega, it's okay. It wasn't your fault. Please stop crying.
Even when he was begging me to let him go, I could have. But the reverse would have been the case.
May their soul rest in perfect peace.
You see, me, I might resign anytime soon, but it's not yet official.
Are you going to run away?
When the time comes, I will know, but for now, it's okay,
Even me, I'm tired of living and working in fear all the time.
I really don't understand. Did anything happen?
My dear, he has stopped me from seeing my kids. He said he is going to kill me if he finds out that I ever set my eyes on my own kids. I don't know where that is done. No matter what, I should be allowed to see them, right? That man is a beast. He's more than a beast. As a matter of fact, I am suspecting that he drinks and wines with the devil. I think he feeds on human blood because why doesn't he have any conscience? Why?
You know, I told you something the last time I came. There is something I saw about him that is not making sense.
Something like what?
He's occultic.
Oh no, my king. I called you here to discuss something important. Igwe, what could that be? I want to get another one.
Okay.
Igwe, Obatozo Lolo. You mean you want to let go of Lolo? Lolo is history. She can't come back into my life. Obatozo Igwe, your words are power. Whatsoever you want, so shall it be. Oh no. Open this drink. My king. My king. If Rozo, That young girl is very, very beautiful. Excessively pretty. Hi.
Oh, it's okay. What about the young boy gallivanting around her? Does he want to marry her or what?
My king, rumors have it that he has intentions of getting married to her. But at the mention of your name, every knee must bow.
Tell the young man to avoid her for his own good.
Makanduya. Bang. Igwe.
You are the best to know.
My favorite king.
Modern or no?
Hi. Modern king. Hi, my king.
Mama, I came to inform you people that will be coming with my parents very soon.
Yeah?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Hey! May the gods of Ologunike land be praised. Eh? May the gods bless the day you decided to marry my daughter.
He said...
Hey.
Eh? Mama, who told you that I want to marry him?
This girl. Oh, okay, so it's a prank you played on me, eh? Don't worry, I'll get you. I'll get you. You're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
Let me reserve the dance. Greetings, Nne.
Greetings. To what do we owe this royal visit?
Maiden of Morogo Kingdom, the chosen one. The chosen one?
Wait, Mama. What is going on? Mama, I'm asking, what is the meaning of this? Mama? What is going on? What is the meaning of this, Mama? Can someone just tell me what just happened now? What is the meaning of this, Mama? Mama, I am talking to you. What is the meaning of this nonsense? Okay, nobody's talking to me.
Hey! Hey! Akubaze!
Fool!
You got the beat! Hey! Mwemalo, do you know the enormity of the crime you just committed? Huh? Hey! You got the beat! Chimo, you got the beat. So why never when I'll be gone? Hey! Where are they? Where are you going? Where are you going, Panu?
King of my kingdom, he's a tyrant king. Yeah. King of my kingdom.
Ikoma, where the hell are you coming from?
I went to the palace.
You're coming from the palace to do what exactly?
Akubreze, please try and understand. There's nothing you and I can do about it. Saying no to the king is suicidal, and you know it.
Wait, there's something I am trying to understand. So you cannot say no to the king. So wait, where is the love you promised me? What have I done wrong to you? What did I do to you?
You did nothing wrong to me, and you know that I love you. You honestly know that I love you. But this is the king we're talking about here. He's a deadly man. If I say no to him, he might kill me. And if he kills me, you will get married to another woman, or will you die with me?
Don't say that again. I will die with you.
You will die with me?
I will die with you, yes! Ikoma, look into my eyes and say you don't love me anymore.
Akubreze, I love you. I love you so much, but my hands are tied. What do you expect me to do? What do you want me to do?
Wait, your hands are tight. Listen, let's run away from this place. Let's relocate from another. Let's just go and start a new life. Let's go.
You think that is the best thing to do?
Yes. That is the best. Let's just go to another community and build another love.
Then what will happen to my mother? What will happen to my mother if I run away with you? She's the only woman I've got in this world. Listen to me, my love. Please try and understand. The person we are talking about here is not someone we can trade with.
Just wait. I forbid you from calling me your love. Do you know the true meaning of love? If you love me, you won't wear this thing from another man. Don't you dare call me your love again.
It's not just another man. He's the king. Whatever he says happen. There's nothing I can do about it.
Shut up. Shut it. Where is the love you promised me? What have I done to you?
You did nothing to me and I love you. I love you so much. Stop saying this to me. What do you want me to do?
What do I want you to do? Listen, I'd rather die than to watch another man take you away from me. Not even the king.
Your food is ready. Sachuku, your food is ready. Eat something. Kosi!
Mama, please. I am not hungry. Please.
You cannot keep starving yourself. Starving yourself might cost you another thing. You might even start developing ulcer. Please, my daughter, eat something, even if it's little.
Mama, of what use is this food? Mama, tell me, why should I eat? When I can no longer set my eyes on my children. I can't see my kids anymore. How do you expect me to have appetite for this?
But your children are okay.
Mama, yes, they are fine. But I'm not going to seek them again. I'm not going to set my eyes on them again.
Kosi Sochuku, don't mind him. You will see your children as many times as you want.
Yes. Are you being serious right now, Mama? Yes. I'm going to see my kids again.
They are also your children. And it is your right to see them whenever you desire to see them.
Thank you so much, Mama. Thank you for always being there for me. You always have a way of making me feel better. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can you now eat with me?
I still don't have a...
I don't want to hear that.
Okay, if I'm going to eat up, will I be able to see my kids after it?
You will, I assure you that. You will eat, even if it's little.
And I'm going to see them?
Yes, you will see them, I assure you that. Eat your food.
It's now a challenge of power. It's now a taste of strength. Of who is the strongest.
Okay. Just be ready to remove me from the surface of this planet Earth, just the way you removed that babe. Hey, if your father were to be here, would you do the same thing? No, it's because it is me. Because it is me. Don't worry, I am going to end it all for you. I am going to end it all for you. I'm going to jump into the river. I will end it all for you. I will jump into the river, end it all. That's what you want. I am going to do. I'm going to end it.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for removing the bead. Mama, I love you so much. Please, don't jump into the river. Oh, okay. If the bead is the problem, I'll wait. I'll wait now. Please, I'm sorry.
Now you come. Thank you so much. You know I love you so much. I love you. Don't stop behaving like this.
I'm sorry, I won't do it again.
If a man over than you,
Don't make me an orphan. It's not fair now, Mama.
If a man over than you, if a man, it's now a challenge of power. It's now a taste of strength. Of who is the strongest. Yeah. If a man.
What is it? What happened? Igwe Obota got married to another woman. What? When did it happen? Yesterday. I mean, I'm surprised you've not heard about it. The news is everywhere. This is very bad. Very, very bad. The question is, what exactly have I done to him? What have I done to him to deserve this kind of treatment? What? Just calm down, my friend. Okay? Obato Zura cannot just dump you just like that. When you have me as a friend, he cannot do that. It's okay, just calm down. What are you insinuating? I don't understand. I mean, why can't he dump me because I have you? What are you saying? If you want to go back to your house today, I can make it happen. Yes. And how do you intend to achieve this? I will do that. Just trust my words. Okay? Go inside and change. I'm waiting for you. It's obvious you branched somewhere before coming to this place. Because you're not even listening to me. I said if you take your 2 legs to that palace, the way Igwe will order his guards to cut off your head from this your neck, you will not even believe it.
He cannot do more than that.
Please, I'm not going anywhere with you.
Just go in and dress up. And stop talking. Just go.
Seriously, this place seems. What is going on? What kind of place is this? I just hope they are not going to tell me to make any human sacrifice. Because I am not going to do it too. I will not do it.
Wait, let me ask you. If this place will bring back your marriage, won't you be happy?
Yes. But I will still not sacrifice any human. And I mean it.
Just relax, okay? Such things don't happen here. Just calm down.
Hey.
You woman of little faith.
Stop suspecting her. You believe she told me something about you before now? No. Before now, she told me nothing about you. You are still not comfortable with what I said. Okay, let me go ahead and tell you what she doesn't know about your life in the past. The young man your husband killed had something to do with you before. But when you got married, you cut off the relationship. Am I right? Are you still uncomfortable? Because I know that no other person knows about this except you and the young man. You're right. Good. In case you're still doubting where you are, your first pregnancy was miscarried. The same man was responsible. Am I right? Huh?
Yes.
Are you aware that your husband got married to another woman and killed her fiancé just to have her?
Yes, I am aware.
Good. Now, with all this, you can be convinced that she told me nothing about you. Now tell me, what do you want Zuma Kosa to do for you? You are still not comfortable with what I said. Okay, let me go ahead and tell you what she doesn't know about your life in the past. The young man your husband killed had something to do with you before. But when you got married, you cut off the relationship. Am I right? In case you're still doubting where you are. Your first pregnancy was miscarried. The same man was responsible. Am I right? Huh?
Yes.
Who are you?
I'm your mother's friend.
Where is our mother?
She traveled, but she will soon be back.
We are hungry. Come and give us food.
Oh, you're hungry? Okay. What is your name?
Ada.
Ada. What is your name? Okay. Let's go.
As he addressed himself, the deity that fits on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants.
Yes, hello? I have made up my mind. I'm ready.
As he addressed himself, the deity that fits on human flesh and blood. He does what he
That spirit of the young man your husband killed for your sake is hovering around you. Consult the spirit, invoke him with Coronaut. Ojugo, tell him you are not happy that he was killed and you don't know about his death. That you want to avenge his death.
I will.
Also remember, at difficulties, mention my name. At the mention of the name of Zuma Kosa, every knee shall bow.
I will.
Your liberation and that of your people starts from you coming to my home.
Oh no,
My king.
I want to bring back my first wife.
Why?
I'm tired of lying to my kids. They keep asking, where is their mom? And I'm tired of lying. My king, what about your second wife?
Nothing about her. She will chill. We're Africans. I'm entitled to as many wives as I deem fit. So she can't be a problem.
Opato Zuora. Odogun Nabo. You're right. You are entitled to as many wives as possible.
Communicate to her brother immediately. No, he's our only surviving sibling.
My king, I'll do that immediately I leave here.
As he addressed himself, the deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He accursed himself, the God of Mbaloku. A man that thinks himself above the law while being a tyrant's king.
My king, what is it?
I had a dream.
About what?
About my ex-wife, where I was trying to bring her back.
You wanted to bring back your ex-wife? Then why did you bring me here?
Calm down, it's just a dream.
Why did you marry me? To make mockery of me or what? You killed my boyfriend just to get married to me. And now you want to bring back your ex-wife?
I said calm down, it's just a dream.
I am not comfortable with it. I am not. If you had known that you bring back your ex-wife, you would have just let me be.
Woman, don't forget you are talking to King Obatozwara I Namborogu. I am entitled to many wives as I deem fit. So what are you talking about?
I know you are entitled to many wives. But it's not your thing. You told me yourself. You told me that you never wanted to get married to more than one wife. Have you forgotten? And now you want to bring her back?
It's a dream.
It's a dream. The same dream that made you kill your honor. If you had known that you would bring back your ex-wife, you would have just let me be. You wouldn't have killed the only man that I love. The only man that made me happy.
Really? The only man that made you happy? What are you insinuating? I don't make you happy? Is that what you're trying to say? I don't make you happy?
Yes. You don't make me happy. You make me sad. You make me shed tears.
Now you listen and listen real good. The next time you talk to me in this tone, I will skin you alive. I am King Obatozwara I Namborogu. I do what I want and I am unquestionable. Now leave my presence at once without saying a word.
As he addressed himself, the deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He accursed himself, the God of a man that thinks himself above the law while being a tyrant's king. King of my kingdom, The deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He has caused himself the god of a man that thinks himself above the law while being a tyrant's king. And I get big king of my kingdom, he's a tyrant's king. King of my kingdom, so fierce and ruthless. King of my kingdom, he's a tyrant king. King of my kingdom, he's so fierce and ruthless.
Chekube, I am really sorry for your death. I have no hand in it, and I'm sure you know that. Please forgive me. Forgive me for my negligence. But do not forgive the king. I want you to join me in this battle. Let us fight for the men of this community. Please, join me so we can win this battle together. I beg you.
Oracle of Mbolo Kunike, as he addressed himself, the deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He accursed himself, the God of Mbolo. A man that thinks himself above the law while being a tyrant's king.
Greetings, my queen.
I don't understand. Why are you both standing there moping at me like some decomposed elements? Some damned statue of liberty that is being sent away from the Nelson Mandela Square in South Africa. Aren't you supposed to go and pick up my pins, you hanky-panky idiots? If I will look at take up my things from the booth.
How are you? I'm fine.
Wow, you all look good.
Thank you, my queen. You're welcome, my queen.
Thank you.
We missed you.
I missed you guys.
You're welcome. Welcome back.
Thank you. All right. Back to you, lunatics. I said that you should. What's the meaning of this nonsense?
The king instructed that you're not permitted to come into this palace. So with all due respect, my queen, I suggest you should go back to where you're coming from.
Out of my way. Are you not? And you have the guts to come and block my path? Have you lost it? You ancient breed from the bulldog. Leave my path! Cowards! Bunch of fools and babes! Make sure you pick up my stuffs from the boat and don't sting them with your hanky-panky hands, you idiot. Where are my feet?
Kosi so chukwu. Kosi so. Kosi so chukwu. Kosiso Chukwu. Kosiso. 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 Anugba ajoso. Agbaya jegwe. I am Igwabato Zuara and Kizis Nambolo. Why did you come back here? And what are your intentions?
No matter how high the eagle flies, the man underneath must see its belly.
You have not answered my question.
A tree that feels it has grown should always be expected to dance when the wind blows. A word said in half goes into the wise and become whole.
As he addressed himself, the deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He accursed himself, the God of Mbologu. A man that thinks himself above the law while being a tyrant king. Anya get big warrior, king of my kingdom. He's a tyrant king, king of my kingdom. So fierce.
What have I done to myself? What really happened to me? Was I charmed? Manipulated? Or what? Couldn't I have said no?
Echo, Mom. There's something I want to say to you. No one, and I mean nobody, turns the king's proposal down or the possible. That is because the king is supreme. Whatever he likes, that's what he does. And whatever he says stands. No argument. Do you understand?
If I had said no, what would he have done to me? Kill me or banish me? Is it not better I was banished than what I am passing through now? Gods of our land, please wake me up from this dream. Akubeze, you warmed me.
Thank you.
I am telling you this as someone who loves you. Apart from our relationship, you have every right to say no to the king. He won't kill you. He can't even do anything. Who the hell is he?
But they said it's an abomination to say no to the king.
Oh, please, please, please. What stupid abomination? Listen, it's not abomination anything. Gone are those days our forefathers were doing all those their fetish lifestyle and traditional stuff. You have your own right to say no. It's your decision.
I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. But one thing I know for sure is that I love you so much and I don't want to lose you.
My love, you are not losing me for any reason. I am the one who is supposed to be afraid of losing you. You have every right to decline to the king's proposal. Number one is that you have a fiancé already, which is me. Secondly, the queen might come back. Once she comes back, you will be left behind. So say no to the king. Nothing will happen.
Okay. What have I done to myself? Should I pack and go? If I pack and go, where am I going to? Who am I going to meet? My boyfriend is dead. And I don't want to see my mother because she deceived me.
I will not lose both. Whatever it will take for me not to lose, I will do it.
Akubreze, I love you so much, but my hands are tied. What do you expect me to do? What do you want me to do?
Wait, your hands are tight. Listen, let's run away from this place. Let's relocate from another. Let's just go and start a new life. Let's go.
You think that is the best thing to do?
Yes. That is the best. Let's just go to another community and build another love.
Then what will happen to my mother? What will happen to my mother if I run away with you? She's the only woman I've got in this world.
Maiden of Morogo Kingdom, the chosen one.
The chosen one?
Wait, Mama. What is going on? Mama, I'm asking, what is the meaning of this? Mama? What is going on? What is the meaning of this, Mama? Can someone just tell me what just happened now? What is the meaning of this, Mama? Mama, I am talking to you. What is the meaning of this nonsense? Okay, nobody's talking to me.
Hey! Hey! Akubreze!
Fool!
You got the beat! Hey! Nwemalu, do you know the enormity of the crime you just committed? Huh? Hey! You got the beat! Chimo, you got the beat. Oh, why never when I'll be gone? Hey! Where are they? Where are you going? Where are you going, Kwanu?
Just be ready to remove me from the surface of this planet Earth, just the way you removed that bit. Hey, if your father were to be here, would you do the same thing? No, it's because it is me. Because it is me. Don't worry, I am going to end it all for you. I am going to end it all for you. I'm going to jump into the river. I will end it all for you. I will jump into the river, end it all. That's what you want. I am going to do. I am going to end it all. I am going to leave me alone. Leave me.
Who is that?
It's me, Mate Afoma.
Come in.
Greetings, my queen.
What do you want?
The king demands your presence.
What for?
Your mother is here.
Tell the king that I do not want to see my mother.
Okay, my queen.
I called all of you here to make a little adjustment.
Henceforth, you will be my permanent maid. Am I understood?
Yes, my queen. But my queen, I am the personal maid to the queen mother.
And that will stop now. Like I said, henceforth, you will be my personal maid. And I do not need double services. Have I made myself clear?
Noted, no.
Good. You be my personal bodyguard.
Noted, my queen.
And your work starts now.
If a man, it's now a challenge of power. It's now a taste of strength. Of who is the strongest.
My queen, Small Queen asked me to be her permanent maid. And I told her I'm already working for you, but she said I should stop from now.
She said what?
Yes, my queen. That is why I am here, because I am confused.
No, you cannot be confused, honey. You cannot be confused over some bloated human being. You cannot. Someone who is obviously overfed with some bloated pap. You can't be confused. Now you listen to me. I hired you with my husband in this company, right? And you are only going to serve us, nobody else. Do not take any instruction from nobody. Understood?
Yes,
Let's go back to your post.
Thank you, my queen.
If a man, it's now a challenge of power. It's now a taste of strength. Of who is the strongest. Yeah. If a man, if a man over than you,
I hate repeating myself. You cannot sleep on this bed, and I mean every word of it.
You must be joking. You must be high on some cheap drugs. As a matter of fact, you should be the one that should get your tacky-wacky ass up from this bed. Not me!
Daniel, if I see you on this bed, I swear I will kill you and feed your corpse to the vultures.
No! As a matter of fact, I will be the one to fling you to the ocean, where you will be chilling with the sharks and the octopus. What rubbish? Why would I lie on me? What is this? What kind of a joking, pokey attitude is this? Okay, fine. Just keep the bed. I will be here waiting for you. Nobody is going to sleep in this room. Nobody! Nobody is going to sleep here.
Mmebugi.
I will kill you.
Mmebugi.
In English fashion, I will kill you.
Mmebugi.
I must kill you.
Anofia.
Janofia.
Anofia.
Dianofia.
Mannerless ape.
Taki-waki husband. What can you do? Somebody will see you wear white with some taki-waki cross. You think you'll make heaven? Seriously, hellfire! Not sleeping tonight. Go feel up.
Akumakuka. 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 What is going on? I need answers. Something has to be done to put man and made in Chabamaya. I can't be in an ocean and let so enter my eyes. Something has to be done.
My king, what you just told us is an abomination. In my entire life, I have never heard nor seen such. This is terrible. Obato Zuora, you need to summon the Ezemo to consult the gods.
My king, what Onowu just said is exactly what I have in mind. As a matter of fact, we need to tackle it because there must be something behind it.
Precisely, my king. There's a cogent reason behind it.
Obato Zurora, did you notice that your wife pushed you down?
It wasn't my wife that pushed me down.
Obato Zuora, my king, Odogunabo, this is not ordinary.
It's not! It's not! Although ordinary.
I bow before you, Igwe Obato Zuora. The Ezemo is at the gate.
You demanded for my presence.
Greetings, my king. I lost my way
trying to come into this palace. Now I think I can find it.
What is that supposed to mean?
Your Majesty, I've been trying to come in through this gate, but I couldn't find the gate. I could not.
Ezemo, I don't understand you. What are you saying? You lost your way trying to find entrance to the palace.
Oh no. This particular gate was covered by walls. I only saw walls here.
How do you mean?
I've been walking up and down. I've walked to that place. I've come back. I walked to this place. I could not find this gate. Oh no. Unseen forces, which are evil, now dwell in this palace. Your Majesty, you take me to the palace and let me consult the gods? Or you want me to do it here?
Great Zumakosa, at the mention of your name, everything is possible.
Akumakuka. 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 Take it. Always tie it around your waist. It will protect you, no matter the danger. But don't forget to mention my name when it gets tough.
I will. Great Zumakosa.
Sir, I command you to appear.
Zumakosa. Great Zumakosa. Great Zumakosa. Great Zumakosa.
Where is your waist bead?
I do not know where it is. And I never removed it. I only noticed it has left me after taking my weight. I don't know what happened.
He removed it from your waist, spiritually.
You saw him doing it?
Yes, I did.
Thank you, great Zumakosa.
Anyway, let that not bother you. I will retrieve it from him. You have to be very prayerful, because he's doing everything to eliminate you. But you will eliminate him first.
Thank you so much, great Zumakosa. I am indeed grateful.
Oracle of Mbolo Kunike, as he addressed himself, the deity that fits on human flesh and blood.
Mbolo Kukwenu. Yeah. Mbolo Kukwenu. Yeah. Mbolo Kukwenu. Yeah. You see, Bunti Abofia.
My king, please, before you proceed, I would like to say something. Honestly speaking, if you ask me, I will tell you that I'm no more comfortable with the way things are going on in this village, in this kingdom, especially here in this palace. I mean, things are happening, and those things that are happening are becoming unacceptable. My king, something needs to be done. Yes! Huh?
That is where you will remain until I say otherwise.
My king on hanging! Hey! My king on hanging! Dianazi, this is a dangerous sign. This is an abomination. My king! Odogu on hanging! This can be. Guys! Oh no! Go and fetch me the more. Be fast!
A na-ekwu na ọkụkọ manyere ọnụ, ọ chịrị okwu chinye.
My king on hanging! Hey! My king! The oracle of Mbologunike! Ndambodogu! The deity himself! The oracle of Mbologunike! The beast that feeds on human flesh and blood! Odogunabo! The oracle himself! The deity! On hanging! Mba! Come down, my king.
Calm down, Odogu. Odogu Butua.
How dare you come in here to distract me? Decompose the lesson. Like I said, you will remain there until I say otherwise. And that's all, period.
Odogu, calm down. Butuo. My king, the deity himself, the youngest deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. Alright. Hey! Ozokwa.
I don't know what happened to her. My queen!
Take her inside! Take her inside!
My queen, go!
Hey!
Who are you?
I am Zumakosa, the great-grandfather of Nduose, the grandfather of Nkweze.
I bow before the great-grandfather of Nduose, the grandfather of Nkweze, the father of Ologunike.
May the gods of Ologunike bless you. Where you stand has been flooded with the blood of my innocent grandchildren. Igwe Bato Zora has wasted my children. And this is the time for him to suffer the recompense of his wickedness.
May the gods of Ologunike be praised for this revelation. But please, tell me the solution. For the land of Ologunike must be cleansed.
The head that the cap fits should wear the crown. This solution is at the doorstep of the palace of Ologunike. The land of Mbologu has been defiled with the blood of innocent men and women. And now it is time for Eze Okpato Zuora to smell the wrath of the gods. We have now decided to hold the bull by the horn.
Thank you, grandfather. Thank you.
Let the head, that the cap fits where the crown.
Let the head of the crown fits where the crown.
As he addressed himself, the deity that fits on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants.
What is going on? Where is Jezemon?
I thought I heard his voice. I heard his voice too.
Maybe he went back to pick up something he forgot or something. I don't know.
Perhaps.
Okay, Mr. Badro, let's wait for his return, okay? But before his arrival, let me ask you, my fellow cabinet members, what do you think is wrong with our king?
But if we can attest to this, we shouldn't be waiting for the SMO to consult the gods.
Oh no. Something is wrong with our king. Yes.
How dare you?
Okay, wait. You're asking me how then. In the history of this great kingdom, this type of thing has never been recorded before. Or has it?
Exactly what I'm suspecting. Yes. If he can open up and tell us the truth. In fact, even if after consulting the SMO, how are you sure that the gods will...
Oh! Tell you the truth as what? Yeah, as what? Even if there is any confession to make, it should be between him and the gods.
As a mother, no.
Oh no. You see, in this matter now, I totally disagree with you.
How dare you disagree with me?
Yes, because let the king make an open confession so that we know what is going on.
My fellow cabinet members, please, let's calm down and put on our thinking cap. Because open or sacred confession lies in the hands of the gods. That is, if there is anything that will warrant that confession, let's not be too forward, please.
That is a wise man. Eh? A wise man speaking. What do I call him?
He should confess to you. As who?
As a human being.
As a deity. Look, it's taking too long for him to return now.
We should just...
Shidi. Shidi, how many times have I begged you to stop smoking? You know it's not good for you. You are still a small boy. Shidi, I'm not joking.
Auntie Jama, Kifo, will enemy Sobuna. Even we would know through one door. If you're not, I'm going to say Tom. When they mem porena, you know, be able na just say yes, my mood. What in the worry you now? Auntie Jama, into your disqua. Now go come me magoze.
This is why you stop going to school. Huh? Yes.
Okay, wait. Because you say you be my mother's sister. If you not come himself, I go them this kind of thing. I will get some more like a bawaga. Madam, for moot. Wa? Troze fugaba. Wa?
Smoking every day on the street.
Whatever is happening to Igwe Okwato Zuora today, he brought upon himself. I was instructed to tell you to go home, all of you. Go home and wait for the head which the crown fits to wear the crown. So all of you should go back home.
Ezemo. I mean, Kefin Amazon. Huh? I don't understand. You are speaking in parables. Break it down for us in such a way we will understand where you are driving at.
The days of reckoning are coming. Go home and wait for them.
Ezemo, you are still confusing us more. Are we going to allow our king to remain like this until the days of reckoning? Ezemo, talk to us.
Whatever goes up must surely come down the same way. It is not a battle for you and I. Go.
Cabinet man. I'm completely confused.
Same as I am.
Honestly speaking, I'm not comfortable with what the Ezemo said. I mean, even if the king brought what is happening to him upon himself, should we show unconcerned involvement? He needs to be helped at this point where he is pinned.
Oh no, you are right. But why did you say this on that shrine? Why? You could have said it before the Ezemo. Oh no, let me tell you. You are our prime minister. The Onowu of this great kingdom. The Onowu of Ologunike kingdom. Do you think that Onowu is for Omogai or Onowu Mogai? Onowu, let me tell you. In absence of the king, you are our mouthpiece. So you have to speak on our behalf there.
I beg your pardon. Ochanike, are you trying to insult me?
No.
Are you disrespecting my position as the Onowu of this great kingdom?
No.
Oh,
Ochanike, how dare you?
Oh no,
how dare you?
He has not insulted you,
Okay.
Onowu. He only stated his mind.
Simple.
Yes.
Simple.
If you are discharging your duty as Onowu, he wouldn't say that. Yes, and besides, Onowu, this prime minister, this is not about Ndi Bokwen.
Well, see, yeah,
Yes.
Chemela and Ocha. We should be talking about how to get our king out of that condition.
Oh!
And not the other way around.
Oh! That is a wise man speaking. A wise man speaking. If the two of you, I know how to undo you. Ochanike, you, I know you have always been jealous of me. Ever since I was made the Onowu of this kingdom, you have always been jealous. But I know how to undo you.
Onowu, me, Ocha, Nalanike, I'm not even interested in being Onowu. So why would I be envy of you? Tell me.
You are calling me Onowu, the guy.
Chere, Onowu. This young man, sorry, Ichie Ocha. He did not insult you. Secondly, you know truth is always bitter. But notwithstanding, let's look for solution on how to getting the solution to Igwe's problem. Obria. So when he was
my elders, let me tell you, let me make it clear to all of us. I am not responsible to what is happening to the king. Or am I the one? Let the king take care of himself. Whatever that is happening to him is capable. Whatever you people discuss here, then let me know. I'm out of here.
Are you walking out of honors?
Are you not part of this?
Ochanike!
Who will bring you the information?
Wait. So you are not the cause of what is happening to the king, eh? This is what you are saying. Ifugonian, I knew it. Ifugonian, you were supporting him. You were supporting him.
Forget about that. I'm not supporting him. I truth been told.
Look, let me tell you something. You can, okay now, no problem.
Even self, you're there supporting him.
Yes, now.
Are you not?
Yeah, let's go.
You are okay. You are not supporting him.
Speaking from what?
My king! My king! My king! My king! My king!
Oracle of Mbolo Kunike, as he addressed himself. The deity that fits on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him.
May your days be long. Oh no, what happened? My king, he said so many bad things about you and I. As a matter of fact, he disrespected my position as the Onowu, calling me Onowu the guy. He said he has nothing to do with what is happening to you, and he left us arrogantly. Shemala, was it what happened?
Yes, my king.
Onwara.
Yes, my king.
That was exactly what happened.
Exactly so.
Achanike, you have the gods to go against the king of Mborogu kingdom. Obato Zuara and Kizizi, the oracle of Mborogu, the youngest deity that feeds on flesh and blood. How dare you? For this singular act, I will sacrifice you to my gods in the next Eke market day. And nothing will happen. Guards,
yes, my king.
Throw him into the royal prison. No food, no water until I say otherwise.
Oracle of Mbolo Kunike, as he addressed himself. The deity that fits on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him.
Yeah, for one.
Ichie, what kind of temptation is this?
Why would Ojukwu do a thing like that? Why?
So you don't think Ojukwu is a saboteur?
If anything happens to Ocha, I will not forgive him. Yes, I will not.
Ichie, agreed that Ojukwu is a saboteur. But when the king asked if what Ojukwu said concerning Ocha was true, he consented to it. I also concurred. So, why are you now blaming it on Ojukwu? If you were interested in the safety of Ocha, you shouldn't have concurred. But now you concurred and now you are now blaming it on Ojukwu. Hey! What do you go? Mokwa? Iche, oh, Kwamo!
The king is very wicked. Don't go.
Don't tell me that. Mba, I got that thing. You not about motor and team. Not tell me that. Huh? Who see ya? Madam Pompi, Babi, they say Atakate alone and the chingom of our ancestors. Who get mine? I go fish one. As I do like this now, I get mine. I don't choose one. They hear me. I go lapasunda. That palace. I go lapasundi. I go boss kama the ama. Nothing the pan. I mean the trade. They hear me. Calm down. I go to Gorona. They hear me. Gorona.
Okay, don't worry. Let me help you talk to one of the elders so that they can talk to the king concerning your father.
Antam. Into your disco. And I got up my mad. I the cap you see na me be shade. One man squad. I didn't go. Eh? Madam, if you tell that palace, take over. The army, all you use work to see, I know say I go buy, they go buy me. But I must bring one person down before I go down. The army, calm down, die relax as she last. We go run now. What I want to tell you like this night, they go there tomorrow. You go join me.
No, I'm not going with you. You can go alone, I can't go.
Madam, you need time on son. You need time on you. You can't go with me, Abi.
No, I don't want the king.
You can't go with me, Abi. Up on my child. Child. Nemesifike and Bologunike. I had draw two. Dress them, meet you out that place. I want to watch and boil a film. I want to watch and work with Jawara. See, Madam, them and you, I had a way. I'm more kind of a child. How to watch ya? Tell you see, you go.
If a man,
just can go that place. We go to watch ya.
if a man,
Shidi, I'm warning you now. Don't go. I'm warning you.
it's now a challenge
Okay.
of power. It's now a taste of strength of who is the strongest. Yeah. If a man, if a man over than you,
I am not going to do that. I know it.
You must undo what you did to her.
You must be joking.
I said undo whatever you did to her now.
I am not undoing anything. As a matter of fact, she will remain like this until I say otherwise.
What do you want?
Good question. The only problem I have with you is that you're asking it at the wrong time. It is already too late because the head is already cut off.
You're pushing me.
I have been pushing you all this while up to Zola. I'm just surprised you haven't reacted the way you're supposed to.
It's like you've forgotten who you're talking to. I'm still up to Zora, one of this kingdom. The fearless king. Be careful. I said undo whatever you did now.
If I were you, I would be telling the people of Nike who you really are before you die.
I feed on human love and flesh. Undo whatever you did to her. I hate repeating myself.
You really think this is a joke, don't you? Like I said, I am not undoing anything. Now you listen. You have to release Ochanike before the sun sets.
Now you listen real good. I will not release Ochanike. As a matter of fact, I will sacrifice him to my gods in the next Eke Market day. And there is nothing you or anybody can do about it. And for the last time, undo what you did, else you will face my wrath.
If you come near me, I will break your head off. Come here and take your destiny. Are you actually running? Go ahead, go give me some dead doja. Stupid set of people. Tacky wacky scruffy shit windows. Jesus.
Hey, stop there. Who are you?
We are the children of Ochanike. We heard the king locked him up, so we are here to see him. Okay.
The king left an instruction that no one should be allowed to see him. Now go back home.
What?
Yes.
Even his children?
The instruction says that no one should be allowed to see him, like I said.
The person that we are talking about is our father, and I'm sure you don't know.
Even if his wife comes to this place and cries till nightfall, she will not be permitted to see him.
Do you know where the royal prison is?
I don't know, but we can search for it.
Do not try my question. Don't let me force you out from this place.
Okay. If you know Roman, so you walk the whole man.
What do you say? Huh?
Please, it's okay, please.
What do you say? What do you say?
Please. Please. It's okay. Please, it's okay. We don't want to say our father, please.
Oracle of Mbolo Kunike, as he addressed himself. The deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He accursed himself, the God of Mbolo. A man that thinks himself above the law while being a tyrant king. Anya get big warrior. King of my kingdom is a tyrant king. King of my kingdom, so fierce and ruthless. King of my kingdom, he's a tyrant king. King of my kingdom, he's so fierce and ruthless.
Great Zumakosa. Great Zumakosa. Great Zumakosa.
Speak. I am all ears.
I am no longer happy. Ikwe is still busy terrorizing his people, intimidating and killing them. What is keeping him alive? Why can't he be killed?
The person you are fighting with is not just someone. He's a powerful man that has sold his soul to the devil. And he doesn't need any other thing but tricks to capture him. Otherwise, it might be very difficult to capture him. Calm down. The spirit of the young man is always with you, to support you and to protect you. Do not be afraid or quick to act.
So what do I do?
Papato Zora is a devil incarnate and must be followed carefully. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to capture him.
Okay, great Zumakosa.
You will remain here while the spiritual fortification takes place in the next 2 days.
2 days? I can't even stand that guy being alive for another 2 hours. I can't. Please kill him. If you can't give me the power to, I need to strike him down.
Calm down. Papato Zora must be captured.
Great Zumakosa.
Oracle of Mbolo Kunike, as he addressed himself. The deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him.
Say whatever you are calling me, Shoshanike. You know I'm not supposed to be seen around here.
Become my daughter, please. My throat is dry. Can you help me with a cup of water? Even if it's a drop.
No, I can't do that, Shoshanike. Do you want me to die? You know disobeying the king's order is death penalty. I can't do that, please.
I know, but nobody is saying this. It's only me and you. Because help woman.
Shoshanike, I am sorry. I can't do it.
Please, my daughter, because hey!
My queen. You're well again. Hey, my queen. You're well again. I want to ask you both a question.
What is it, my queen?
What happened to me?
My queen, you turned to an imbecile.
What? I turned to an imbecile?
Yes, my queen. But may the gods be praised. You're well again. Thank you.
What are you doing here? My beat. Where did you get my beat from? And how did you know I'm here?
I am not here to harm you.
Of course you can't harm me. Miss, you are not capable. The question was, how did you know I'm here? Because you just invaded my privacy.
You made me an imbecile.
And so what? That was because you saw what you were not supposed to see.
I want to join you.
Join me doing what exactly?
I want to join you to fight the king. He killed the only man that has ever loved me, the only man that made me happy.
I can see the Ganders are beginning to have some senses. You're beginning to wake up.
I'm ready to do whatever it takes. I just want to be able to challenge him.
You said you would do whatever it takes to bring him down.
Yes, whatever it takes.
A human sacrifice is needed. That is the only way we can pull him down.
Then take me. Take me. As long as the people of Mporogunike will have peace again. Take me. I'm ready.
Akumakuka. 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 Talk to me. Iguabato Zuara 1. Mporogunike needs answers. The oracle of Mborogu, the youngest deity that feeds on flesh and blood, needs answers. Talk to me, for these women have beaten more than they can chew.
Your daughter has been chosen for a sacrifice to prepare you for the forthcoming battle coming your way.
If the blood of my daughter is what will give me victory over my enemies,
I permit you to take her.
Let's run away. I'm tired. Let's run away.
Sioma, I will be here to see where he will kill my father.
But the cats and maids are running away.
Sioma, be courageous. I'm suddenly behind you. Nothing will happen to you. You win, I beg.
I am the fearless king who never accepts defeat nor plead guilty. You could put it in a okay. That was go.
Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner.
I am King Abato Zuora, Nkizizi na Mbologu, the deity of Mbologu, the oracle of Mbologu. I feed on flesh and blood. No one dares you Abato Zuora and Nkizizi na Mbologu. I am the oracle of Mbologu, the youngest deity that feeds on flesh and blood. No one dares me talk more of mere women. Madionesa Japala. I am Abato Zuora and Nkizizi na Mbologu, the oracle of Mbologu, the youngest deity that feeds on human flesh. I am Abato Zuora, Nkizizi na Mbologu, the oracle of Mbologu. Stop! The youngest deity that feeds on human flesh and blood.
I said stop! How dare you? I am Zumakosa, the great-grandfather of Nduose, the grandfather of Nkweze, and the father of Mbologunike.
I'm sorry, my great-grandfather. Please forgive me. I treated my people so badly that it was out of accumulated grudge. They did my late father bad. He was a weak king. They messed him up, they tormented him until he died untimely. For that reason, I decided to be a tyrant king. I vow to revenge my father's death on our people. Please, forgive me.
When a child lifts off his father, the bag of his courtroom will override him. Yes. Ọ bụrụ na nwatakịrị atụnye nna ya elu, ngwongwo na ngwongwo, ayachie ya ya. I curse your day today. Yes, I curse you this day. Henceforth, you will die with wild animals in the thick forest. That's where you stay until they will finally devour you.
Will you shut up, you old fool? Have you forgotten who you're talking to? I'm Yuguabato Zuara One in Kizis in Mbologu, the oracle of Mbologu, the youngest deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. How dare you cause me to die? I am indestructible. You can't do more than a dead rat, so watch your tongue. Is it because I apologized to you? How dare you threaten me in my house? In fact, Wale.
You have just challenged your chief to a wrestling contest. You have no portion with the living. Go now! A child that does not know from where the rain started beating him must definitely not know when it ends. Move! Now move to the bush, white girl.
Oracle of Mbolo Kunike, as he addressed himself, the deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He accursed himself, the god of Mbolo. A man that thinks himself above the law while being a tyrant king. Hey, Anya get big warrior. King of my kingdom, he's a tyrant king. Hey. King of my kingdom, so fierce and ruthless. Hey. King of my kingdom, he's a tyrant king. Hey. King of my kingdom, he's so fierce and ruthless. Yeah. Oracle of Mbolo Kunike, as he addressed himself, the deity that feeds on human flesh and blood. He does what he wants and when he wants, and no one questions him. He accursed himself, the god of Mbolo. A man that thinks himself above the law while being a tyrant's king. Hey, Anya get big warrior. King of my kingdom is a tyrant's king. Hey. King of my kingdom, so fierce and ruthless. Hey. King of my kingdom, he's a tyrant king. Hey. King of my kingdom, he's so fierce and ruthless.